Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox and review the newly dropped Spizike Low Lightning Colorway. Inspired by the iconic colorway of the 2006 J4, this Varsity Maize edition adds a bold pop of color to the basketball-inspired classic. The shoe combines signature elements of previous Jordan models such as Varsity Maize leather, elephant print trim, and a translucent outsole. The result is a mix of layers, structures, and nostalgia. The look is completed with a branded Jumpman logo and lace stoppers. If you missed the 2021 Lightning 4s and doesn't want to pay for over retail price in the secondary market, this shoe could be a great alternative and cost you for only $160 or 170 euros. And all sizes are still available. I cannot complain with the decent tumble leather quality. The signature color is perfect for the summer season, bringing a splash of color. The silhouette's distinctive touches like the portrait of Mars Blackman along with the 40 Acres and Mule logo are seen.